This is day one of the 2000 Honda Rancher 350. I picked it up for $300. It's been wrecked on the left side, front end, pushed back, busted the shock off, busted part of the subframe. The A-arms may be damaged. The bumper is definitely damaged, and the plastics are loose, non-attached. Very scratched plastics in this one. It has somebody rigged up a shifter, probably because the electronic shift wasn't functioning properly. Has some aftermarket rear rims, stock front ones. It came with a couple stock other front wheels with worn tires. It's very dirty, muddy, put away wet, rode hard. Steering's messed up. The key does come on. It has a good battery in it. It has 4,772 miles. It cranks over. It sounds fine. Won't start yet. Everything's free. Brakes are free. Engine's free. There's gas in the tank. It smells okay, but I'm still gonna change it out. Some sort of bag in there. I'll pull that out. So here's what was in the bag. A little portable compressor, a couple tools, spark plug. That's the shock from the front. And there it is. I'll start repairing it now.